Greetings, I am Musab Hashmi on behalf of TBN News Network. Today is 24th April, Friday 2020. Moon has been sighted in the Gulf region in the UAE, in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and most parts of Gulf. So Ramzan Mubarak to all of you on behalf of TBN News Network. The UAE is searching for alternative sources of food markets. The USA will be adding 75 million barrels of reserve oil to its oil reserves because of the reduction in barrel price of oil. The New York governor has authorized the marriages which are being performed on the video conferencing app Zoom. Angela Merkel from Germany says this is not the end of the crisis but it's the beginning. In a small place towards the west of Saudi Arabia, a tremor or earthquake was felt of the magnitude 2.7 and it was 9 kilometers below the surface. It is about 360 kilometers away from Kaaba. The United States of America has temporarily curbed issuing of new green cards. Kim Jong-un of North Korea, after a heart surgery, his health is said to be unwell and he was not seen on his grandfather's 108th birthday, who was the founder also of North Korea. So there is a lot of speculation about his health and what will happen if he expires, who will take care of North Korea. Coming to news from India, in Kerala and Karnataka, the moon has been sighted and fasting has begun. It has been sighted in Udupi and Kozhikode districts. A new ordinance or law to protect the healthcare workers is being passed in India, keeping in view the increasing violence against healthcare workers and policemen. Princess Hind Faisal Al Qasimi has made a lot of discussion on Twitter about Islamophobia, and she says that we need more Gandhis and not Hitlers. A Kuwaiti lawyer, Khalid Al Sawaifan, has said that United Nations Security Council can be used to put a case on the people who are spreading misinformation about Islam, Muslims and increasing Islamophobia in India. He has also referred about the influence which the OIC might have on influencing the policy in India. The Indian ambassadors in Oman and Qatar have also guided the citizens of India to abstain from spreading misinformation about Islam and hatred against Muslims. Coming to the economy, $1 today is 75.88 Indian rupees, 1 AED is 20.66, 1 Saudi Riyal is 20.18 rupees, 1 tola of gold of 24 carat is 45,300 Indian rupees and 22 carat gold is 41,600 Indian rupees and 1 euro today is 82.05 Indian rupees. About 23,000 coronavirus cases have been reported in India, resulting in about 720 deaths. The states topping the list are Maharashtra, Gujarat and Delhi. Facebook has purchased a share of almost 10% from Reliance Jio at a price of approximately 43,500 crore Indian rupees. David Icke, a conspiracy theorist, has become popular on YouTube by promoting that there are various conspiracies related to the virus spread. Coming to Hyderabad news and Telangana. 31 people were reported as COVID-19 positive when a lady who was playing Atta Chamma visited 31 houses in order to pass the time. According to an order of the Telangana government passed by KCR Garu, 3 months rent for residential properties has been deferred or postponed. For the expecting mothers who are expecting childbirth or delivery in the days of the lockdown, it has been come to know that when they are visiting the hospitals, they are being asked to bring with them a COVID-19 negative report, without which they might not be admitted for delivery. A leopard was seen crossing a road supposed to be nearby KBR Park in Banjara Hills. Later on, it came to be known that it was from an isolated area situated in Tirupati. A Muslim electricity department employee was beaten after asking his name in Hyderabad. Various exams has been postponed like MSET, Combined Medical Services Exam, NDA, IES, ISS and the personality test of civil services finals. A case has been registered in the Husainialam police station of Hyderabad on Arnab Goswami by Mr. Anil Kumar Yadav, who is a leader of the Congress party. Halim, which is about a 500 crore business in Hyderabad, the HHMA, the Hyderabad Halim Makers Association, says that in this Ramzan, even if the lockdown is removed, in order to help in social distancing, they will not be making Halim. The temperature in Hyderabad is expected to be a minimum of 28 degrees and a maximum of 38 degrees centigrade. Thank you.
Thank you for staying with TBN News.